Hello everybody. This should be a short little video. I wanted to show you a little about this tool. This tool I recently purchased on eBay. Whenever an older discontinued tool comes along that I don't have, I kind of like to buy it. In this case I didn't need it, but kind of wanted it just because I could use the proper tool to remove the proper seals. You're going to see this tool a lot in the 80s manuals. It is referred to in two different ways, part number 391259 and part number 391010. And these are replaceable, these little jaws. Those are part number 391011. Then you have option B, which is the newer replacement, which is this guy. There is no debate over the quality of that puller. The debate is the cost. They are extremely expensive, both this and the puller bridge. So if you didn't mind spending money or buy a used one on eBay, that's always an option. The other thing is you can get one of these little guys. Well, actually, I guess there is option C, which is watch my video on making one of these. Okay, option D is to get this, the OTC 4422. Let's compare the two side by side. They're pretty comparable. OTC is probably a little bit beefier and a little bit heavier. The only real problem that I see with using it is the shape of these legs. Let me pull it up. So if you notice, that comes to a little 90-degree bend. Doesn't really focus, does it? There we go. It kind of comes to a nice little 90-degree bend. That's going to grab a sealer bearing pretty well. Our OTC version of it is a little bit rounded. It's still going to grab it, but you might slip off a couple of times before it pulls it out. I suppose if you cared enough, you can go in there with a file and kind of square off the edges, and then you'd be fine. But anyway, so those are kind of your options. I just kind of wanted to run through them real quick just to show you a comparison. In conclusion, if you're working on a motor and you need this tool, I want to consider just buying this one. Or if you get the money, buy this one. That one, you won't be sorry, except for the whole cost thing. But if you're on a budget and need this tool, consider buying this one. But if you can find this one on eBay for cheap, do that too. Make your own mind. All right. See you next time.